हाय हेलो नमस्कार एलरिगू एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गाइस। सो यस, आज मैं आई हूँ वीएलसीसी। तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने मुझे कमेंट सेशन में कमेंट्स किया था कि क्या है मैम आपका जो स्किन का सीक्रेट है। आजकल आप बहुत ही ग्लो कर रहे हो। तो यस, मैं आई हूँ वीएलसीसी। तो आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन, मतलब डिटेल वीडियो में कि क्या है ग्लूटाथियोन। एंड मैं ग्लूटाथियोन ट्रीटमेंट ले रही हूँ, जैसे कि मैंने मेंशन किया था मेरे लास्ट वीडियो में कि मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी ग्लूटाथियोन के बारे में। तो चलिए आज हम बात करते हैं डॉक्टर प्रियंका से। वो आपको बताएंगी कि क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स है, प्रोज है कौन से ग्लूटाथियोन के। सो यस, लेट्स गो। Hi guys, meet Dr. Priyanka Keshav. So hi ma'am.
Hi, how are
Yes,
you?
I'm good. How about you?
All good.
यस। सो आज मैं अपने ऑडियंस को वीडियो में दिखाना चाहती हूँ कि मैं ग्लूटाथियोन ट्रीटमेंट ले रही हूँ। तो उसके क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स है, क्या क्या प्रोज एंड कॉन्स है। सो यस, आज आपको डॉक्टर प्रियंका बताएंगी कि क्या क्या है उसके बेनिफिट्स ग्लूटाथियोन के, एंड ऑल्सो कौन कौन से ट्रीटमेंट डॉक्टर प्रियंका जी करती है। सो यस, आप हमारे ऑडियंस को बताइए कि क्या क्या है बेनिफिट्स ग्लूटाथियोन के। उससे पहले आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दीजिए।
Yeah, sure. Rishita, she's a very good client of mine. So, I'm Dr. Priyanka Keshav, and I'm working in this field from 17 years. I'm chief aesthetic physician, and I take care of anti-acne treatment, anti-pigmentation, then skin whitening treatments, anti-aging treatments, and then hair and skin treatments.
Okay. And also my audience wants to know, like, what is the benefit of glutathione? Why is it necessary to take glutathione?
See, that is completely your choice and
Yes.
depends on your health. You want to take it or not, and your doctor will also decide. So, first of all, I'll tell you what is glutathione. So, glutathione is already present in our body, which is produced in our cells. Okay, so it is a very rich antioxidant. But what happens with stress, with pollution, or with age, the glutathione levels will reduce in our body. So, that is the reason in such cases, sometimes glutathione supplements or IV will be required.
Okay. So, ma'am, what are the contraindications of this treatment?
See, people suffering from liver diseases or kidney failure, they should not take glutathione. Even in pregnancy, lactation, they should avoid taking glutathione. Most important is chemotherapy. If they are undergoing any cancer patient, they should also not take glutathione.
Okay. And what are the age group? Like, we should start taking the glutathione. What is the age group?
After the age of 18, anybody can take glutathione. In old age also, we can administer glutathione, but always consult your doctor.
Yes. Yeah, that is very important.
Yeah, because depending
Yeah.
on medical history, सबका medical history अलग रहता है, तो
Yes.
डॉक्टर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ के एनालाइज करके then they will decide what dosage they should give and when they should call for the next.
कौन कौन से फॉर्म है ग्लूटाथियोन लेने के?
ग्लूटाथियोन टैबलेट फॉर्म में भी लिया जा सकता है, then it can be taken as spray,
Okay.
sublingual spray, or it can be used in a IV drip.
IV. Okay. And इसके कौन कौन से बेनिफिट्स हैं?
सो मोस्टली लोग सोचते हैं कि ग्लूटाथियोन सिर्फ गोरे होने के लिए लिया जाता है, बट
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं है। ग्लूटाथियोन बहुत ही अच्छा एक एंटीऑक्सीडेंट है। इंडियन इट इज कॉल्ड मास्टर ऑफ ऑल द एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स।
Okay.
So it can be taken for immunity enhancement. Then it can be taken in other health conditions also. So your doctor
Okay.
will advise accordingly.
Okay. Yes. Wants to know, like, how fast the result we will get.
Okay, so as when the glutathione will start working, it will take some time to show the results because it will start repairing the cells.
Yes.
Okay, so it takes 2 to 3 weeks, and again it depends on person to person. If depending on the skin tone also,
Yeah.
and what are the desirable results they want. Okay, so but yeah, definitely after 2 to 3 weeks they'll start seeing the results.
And what are the dosage sessions? How many sessions we have to
Again,
take?
that depends on person to person and depends on your health condition. So it's always good to meet your physician
Okay.
or your expert, healthcare expert. He or she will advise you what should be done and how much dosage should be used for you.
Okay. And what are the other, like, apart from glutathione, what are the other treatments you give to?
Okay, so along with glutathione, you can go for other treatments like skin weave or volite. Then you can go for HIFU for skin
Okay.
tightening, So the glutathione, it comes with collagen also, vitamin C also. So all those kind of combination also you can undergo. Even
Okay.
peels are very good for skin whitening
Skin
and
whitening.
brightening. Yes.
Yes. So actually, I also took one session of
Yes.
peeling and all.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and one more thing I just want to ask you, like, what is the pricing of this glutathione?
Okay, so glutathione price varies. It depends on the quality of glutathione which is used and the combination. Like some doctors will use plain glutathione, or sometimes it can be combined with the collagen or vitamin C, depending on your health condition. So the prices may vary from 10,000 to it is always above
Onwards,
that,
yeah.
which is of good quality glutathione.
Okay. So as you mentioned the combinations. So what are the combinations in this glutathione?
So usually if person comes and they're looking for anti-aging also, so we'll combine it with the collagen and vitamin
Okay.
C, because that will also enhance the results of glutathione.
Okay. Yeah. So what is the main important suggestion you want to give to my audience?
So most importantly, we have to always consult a doctor before taking any kind of glutathione, let it be tablet form or injection form. It is always good to sit with your doctor and tell them your health history and what all are your requirements. So accordingly, you
Okay.
should go ahead with the glutathione.
Okay. So yes मैम, thank you so much for your information. Like हमारे audience को भी बहुत ही information, डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गया है ग्लूटाथायोन के ऊपर. एंड यस गाइज, अगर आपको कोई डाउट्स है तो मुझे कमेंट सेशन में कमेंट्स करें. मैं आपको कमेंट का रिप्लाई जरूर दूंगी. सो यस मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम. सो यस गाइस, ये था आज का मेरा वीडियो. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज डू लाइक माय वीडियो. एंड यस, आई होप आप लोगों को मेरा ये वाला वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा होगा. एंड अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं देन डू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड ऑल्सो हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बेल फॉर द रेगुलर अपडेट्स. तो अब मिलते हैं बहुत ही जल्दी मेरे एक नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून एंड बाय बाय.